Good morning, children. Welcome back to your maths class. So, children, today we will continue with the chapter Shapes and Patterns. In this chapter, today we will study about solid shapes. So, before starting solid shapes, see what I have brought for you. See, these are the different shapes. These are the different shapes. All these are solids. Today we will learn about solid shapes. Today we will learn about solid shapes. Look at this shape. This is a brick. This is a brick. This is solid. And it has a definite fixed shape as it has length, width and height. This is its length, this is its width and this is its height. So it is very hard. It is very hard. Brick देखिए, ईंट. The brick is very hard. It has length, width and height. We cannot change its shape. We cannot change its shape by pressing it. Thus, we can say solids have definite shape. Thus, we can say that solids have definite shape and size and cannot be pressed easily. आप ईंट को दबा नहीं सकते हो. आप अगर उस पर प्रेस भी करोगे तो भी वो उसमें कुछ भी चेंज नहीं होगा. इट इज सॉलिड. वो फिक्स है. सॉलिड शेप, डेफिनेट शेप and size and cannot be pressed easily. Cannot be pressed easily. So let's go through the solid shapes one by one. Children, this is cube. This is cube. This is its length, its breadth and height. In cube, we have all the sides equal. How many sides are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many sides it has? It has 12 sides. Let's count the corners. Do you know what is corner? When two sides meet at a point. कोई भी दो साइड. सपोज कर लो ये साइड और ये साइड. ये कहाँ मीट कर रहे हैं? यहाँ. So this is its corner. So let's count the corner. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many corners are there? 8 corners. A cube has 12 sides and 8 corners. Can you count the faces? Faces, you can say, you can number them. Like for suppose you can take the dice of Ludo. How many numbers are there? On all sides numbers are printed. So how many numbers are there on dice? 6. Suppose 1 is here, 2 is just on above the table on the base. Then 3, 4, back is 5 and this side is 6. So 6 faces are there. A cube has 12 sides, 8 corners and 6 faces. And in cube, all the sides are equal. You can measure by scale the shapes, the things which are having shape of cube. Let me give you some examples of cube. Dice, then playing cube. This is also dice. So if you measure by scale, see, this is its length, breadth and height. So all the sides, आप कोई भी 12 में से कोई भी side आप measure करेंगे, each will be of equal length, each will be in this length, breadth and height are equal. So we say the side of cube. The side of cube is same. When from wherever you measure, you will get same size. If this is 2 centimeter, then this will also be 2, ye bhi 2, ye bhi 2, height will also be 2. So all the sides, all the 12 sides of a cube are equal. Now moving ahead, this is cuboid. This is cuboid. This is the length of the cuboid, this is breadth of the cuboid, and this is height. So let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count the side of base. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now heights. 9, 10, 11, 12. So it also, as like cube, it also has 12 sides. And same 6 faces. Corners भी count करते हैं. Let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. Like cube, it has 12 sides, 8 corners and 6 faces. The difference is that in cube we all have all the sides equal, but in cuboid length is of different size, breadth is also of different size, and height can also be of different size. So any two of them may be equal, but they can be different also. But in cube we have all the sides equal. So both of them have 12 sides, 8 corners and 6 faces. Difference is that in cube we have all the sides, 12 sides equal, but in this we have 4 lengths. See, this is the length, first, second, third, fourth. Then 4 breadth, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 breadths, 4 heights, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me give you some examples of cuboid. This is matchbox. This is matchbox. This is box. This is box, and this is brick. This is brick. Many more examples you can take. You can take the example of lunch box, pencil box, these book. These all are examples of cuboid. Moving ahead to next shape. Children, this is cone. What is this? This is cone. Examples of cone are, have you seen anything which is in shape of cone? So, can you tell me? Yes, birthday cap. Then, ice cream cone. Yes. So, a cone has one flat surface and one curved surface. This one is curved surface. ये गोल घुमा हुआ है. Birthday cap or ice cream cone you have seen na? And this one is flat. How can you say this one is flat? Whenever you go to buy a ice cream, आप देखते हो ऊपर जो उसका कवर होता है वो जस्ट प्लेन फिगर होती है. सर्कुलर कैप से वो ढका होता है. It is covered with circular cap. You put away that, then only you start eating your ice cream. Whenever you buy cone, आप देखते हो उसके ऊपर सर्कुलर ढक्कन सा होता है. That you remove, then only you start eating. So that is a plane figure. So it has one, that circle is a plane shape. So this one is plane shape, plane surface, and this one is curved surface. So a cone has one plane surface, one curved surface, and it has only one corner. Okay, one corner it has. One edge, you can say. It has one edge. Now moving on to next. Now let's see the examples of cone. Ice cream cone. Then this is birthday cap, and this one is squeezer, from which you can pour things, liquid things. When you invert it, जब आप इसको सीधा करोगे, from here you can pour liquid things so that they cannot lie out of the container. Now moving on to next shape. This is cylinder. This is cylinder. For example, pencil, which is unsharp, not the sharpened one. New pencil is cylindrical in shape. Then chalk. And you can take example of shuttlecock box. When you buy all together a pack of 12, you will get a box which has openings on both the ends, cover on both the sides. So one side is this, one side is this. When you remove the caps, you see both the caps of the box are circular in shape, and circle is plane figure. So we have two plane surfaces in cylinder and one curved. This one is curved surface. If you hold a glass, your palm will move in circular shape to hold it. Otherwise you can't hold. So your palm will take a curve. So this one is curved shape. To hold anything, your palm will take a curve. So this one is curved shape, and these two are plane surfaces. So this one is curved surface and these two are curved surfaces. So a cylinder has two curved surfaces and a cylinder has one curved surface and two plane surfaces. Two plane surfaces and one curved surfaces. Before moving ahead, let's see the examples of cylinder. Bucket, cold drink can, candle are all the examples of cylinders. Now moving ahead to next shape. This is sphere. A sphere has no side, so it has no corner. It has no corner because corner is when we have where the corner is where two sides meet. When no side is there, so no corner is there. A sphere has only one curved surface. So to hold, for example, football, globe, orange, to hold all these things you have to make your palm curved. You can't hold them while keeping your palm straight. So it has one curved surface. I have told you about these examples of sphere: orange, football, globe. So today we have done with the shapes, solid shapes, and with their examples. So now let's move on to the exercise. I am giving you one worksheet. Do it after watching this video. I think the concept is clear to you. One more thing I want to tell, that in these shapes, when you have to differentiate which shape rolls and which shape slide. So let me clear with you the shapes, the objects with flat surfaces slide, like suppose cube and cuboid, they slide. A pencil box slides. Objects with round surface like ball, globe, which have round surface, rolls. For example, a ball rolls. Can you tell me, children, one more thing I want to tell you. Can you tell me a shape which can slide as well as roll? Yes, cylinder. If you slide the cylindrical shape vertically, अगर आप उसको वर्टिकली सीधा चौक को आप सीधा करके स्लाइड करेंगे, सीधा करके प्ले करेंगे देन इट विल स्लाइड. वर्टिकली पोजीशन में मतलब स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में आप लेंगे तो स्लाइड करेगा. इफ यू टेक इट हॉरिजॉन्टली, हॉरिजॉन्टली मतलब लाइंग पोजीशन, एज इफ लाइंग ऑन अ बेड. अगर चॉक को लाइंग ऑन अ बेड पोजीशन में यहाँ से करेंगे, स्लाइड करेंगे, देन इट विल रोल, देन इट विल रोल. सो cylinder shape is the shape which can roll or slide both in different positions. In vertical position it will slide, and in horizontal, if you keep a chalk like this, then it will slide. If you keep a chalk like this here, then it will roll. So that's all for children today. I think with this the concept of shapes and how many sides, faces and all is clear to you, and you might be clear with the concept of roll and slide, which shape slides and which shape rolls, and which is the shape which rolls and slides both. Okay, goodbye. Meet you in the next class.